second grade scientists! It's Miss Haverstick and my good friend, conservationist Camille.
Hi, guys.
We are so excited to talk to you about adaptations today. Yesterday, we learned that an adaptation is a characteristic of a living thing that helps it to live in its environment. So, all living things are things that grow and reproduce. We know that living things need their 4 basic needs: water, food, shelter and space, and air. And then all living things go through a life cycle that repeats over and over. Now, for living things to be able to survive in their environment, they have to adapt over time. Conservationist Camille, is it true that plants have adaptations?
Yeah, it is. Plants look all different and they grow in all different ways.
That is so cool. Conservationist Camille has a really cool family business. Being a conservationist means that you really care about our environment. You love taking care of nature and plants. Conservationist Camille, can you tell us about your family's business?
Yeah, so my family for 116 years has owned a greenhouse and a nursery. And that means that we grow plants in all the weathers that just will be the most beneficial for them. That means that we have all different kind of plants and they grow in all different kind of ways and they just all look different, but we take care of them uniquely.
That is so cool, second grade scientists. So, conservationist Camille, can you tell us about some of these plants that we have here with us now?
Yeah, these are all from my family business. So this one over here, this is bamboo. You can see it grows in this jar, and only in the jar are rocks and water.
So that is this bamboo's plant's like shelter and space. That's where it lives. It's so different from, I know a lot of trees grow in like dirt, but not this bamboo plant. That's its adaptation.
Yeah.
That is so cool. What about the rest of these plants?
Yeah, this one here, down in this pot, we have some soil. It's very fine soil, almost like sand.
Whoa.
And the color, as you can see, it's pink. But if it doesn't get enough sun, it's green.
So you're telling me that some plants need different amounts of sunlight.
Yeah.
So that's an adaptation too. What about
Yeah.
these 3?
Sure. These are all succulents.
Ooh.
They grow in hot weather, pretty dry. So the soil here, you can look in there. It's pretty dry. It's a little cracked, but you have to let them all dry out. Otherwise, they'll become moldy.
Whoa. So these plants, succulents, and I bet cacti are the same way.
Yeah.
They have adapted to live in really hot, dry places by not needing as much water.
Yeah.
That's a really cool adaptation.
They're my favorite.
Me too. And what about this plant? It's so pretty.
Yeah. This one is really fun. On the bottom, it's purple. On the top, it's green. And this one grows by adding new little plants all over the pot. So the more space you give it, the bigger it'll grow.
So this plant needs more space.
Lots of space.
Wow. But conservationist Camille, what's so cool about this is that they're all plants, but they have different adaptations, different characteristics that help these living things to survive in their environments.
That's right.
Wow, second grade scientists, this is so cool. I love learning about adaptations and living things, and I'm so thankful that we get to use teamwork to work with my friends like conservationist Camille to learn so many amazing things about living things. Thank you so much for being here with us.
You're welcome. Thanks for letting me be here, guys.
Class, let's give her a round of applause. Second grade scientists, this has been so much fun. I hope that you've had a great time learning about plants and all of their different adaptations. Now it's up to you to go to Google Classroom and start working on a really fun assignment. You'll see that there are different environments on the Google slide. There's a desert, there's a jungle, there's a really cold place, so many different environments. Then you get to decide, where does each plant live? Drag the right plant to the right environment based on their adaptations. So cool. Have so much fun. We'll see you later.